Finally, I have my dream couch, guys. So how did I get it and where did I get it? So I got it online. This page on Instagram is called Esli's Furniture. I first DM'd two of them, the Esli's Furniture and another page that I see that they have very nice quality furniture, and I've seen people buy from them. So I saw Beyond Being Laura. She's a YouTuber based in Nakuru. Hi Laura. So she bought her couch there, and then it's that time that I said, now this is where I want to get my couch, because if you see people buying from them and you have very good recommendation, I decided that to do that as well. So I DM'd both of them, but I really liked Esli's customer service. This is not sponsored at all. I really love their customer service, because even if they took long for me to answer me, they answered me and they said that they are sorry, but they keep engaging me in everything that I was asking. And I love that, because I didn't want the fact that the others, I DM'd them, yes, but it was just like a one-word response, and you don't really get that conversation flowing so that you can know what you want to order, what they can offer and everything. So I gave them my pick, and they said this is the design I want, and I want the design that way. How much is it? So they gave me a quotation of the design, and I thought, okay, the price is okay. So after agreeing with the design, they asked me to choose the fabric. So the fabric, they gave me options there, and I chose this fabric, guys, and I made the right choice. It feels so good. It feels so good, guys. It's not velvet. It's not like, it feels so good. Like, I can't insist enough. It was a good choice of the fabric, and I love the color, because it's not that screaming cream, and it's just toned a little bit, which is just perfect. So I chose the color, and they were like, afterwards, now they called me. They just asked for my number, and they said that it will be much easier for them to communicate with me so that they can get all the details. And the following day, the guy called me, and just to clarify everything so that he can have a clear picture of what I wanted, which I appreciate so much, for someone to just call and follow up. So they called me and asked me to just specify for the arms. I said I want the slim fit, and then they asked if I want fiber for my cushions, and that was extra 3,000 shillings, but I decided to add it and go for it, because I want to stay with this couch for some time, and I want the best quality ever. I'd rather buy some things one by one, small, as in with time, but buy the things I really want and I know that they are durable. So I went for the fiber. So as you can imagine, fiber, it's really like, oh, mushy and everything. Yesterday I nearly slept here because of it was so comfortable, guys. So yeah, I chose fiber, both the cushion down here and the cushion and everything. I chose fiber. So on top of the quotation, you must know that you will add like 3k for the fiber. If you want the normal stuffing, then you have like 3k off. So after settling for the design, now they said, okay, they are gonna start the work, that I pay deposit. So you're gonna pay deposit at least 15,000 for the deposit, and then the rest of the money that you will agree with them according to the design, they're gonna, like, you're gonna pay it like way after. So I paid the deposit, and they said that the couch will be like ready at least for 1 week. Yeah, they will take like at least 1 week to prepare it. So that means that I was expecting like maybe 2 weeks, because at least 1 week, that means it can be 1 week or more. So I just gave them time. I didn't want like to keep on checking and everything. So I gave them time, and 2 weeks after, when I was like now trying to say that let me just check them up so that I can see the progress and everything. Before I DM them, the guy called me and he said that they're just doing the finishing touches and my couch will be ready the following day. So the following day he promised that he gonna send me the video so that I can see the couch before anything else. And mind you, before after the agreeing of everything and paying for the deposit, they gave me the receipt. They sent me the receipt. That was very professional of them. And then afterwards, now when they are calling me to tell me that my seat was ready, and I saw that there was the correction for the cushion right here that I've mentioned to you guys. And yeah, I asked them if it's fixable, because I really wanted something that will be seamless, and they were polite enough to accept to just fix it, which that I really love that, because most of the people, they'll be like, no, she's asking a lot. But he took up the challenge, and the following day they already did the correction part. So after everything was okay, I've seen the couch, it was looking to perfection the way I wanted it. So they said that they'll be waiting for the courier services to come so that they can just write a receipt for the courier services. I pay the transportation, and then they're gonna send me the videos of how they are carrying it to the courier services, which is, they keep on updating me everything they were doing, and that is just perfection, guys. When you're buying things online, all you want is just update for you to be at ease and know that everything is okay. So after that, they send me the videos that they are transporting them, they're carrying them in the courier services vehicle. Then after that, they asked me to pay the rest of the amount for the shop before the courier services carry the seats. So you have every evidence before you pay the rest of the money. That I love, guys. Being someone who has been conned before, that was everything to me. Like, you would want for them to update you in everything. So they did that, and I appreciated that a lot. So I paid the rest of the money for the couch, and then it was transported here. So as you saw the first part of this video, that was me just going to pick it, and I showed you everything how I transported it here. And I asked the courier guys, that is Wells Fargo, they said that if you want it to be transported until on your doorstep, you pay more. But for Elsie's furniture, they asked me for the amount they asked me, but I didn't know that amount was just to transport it from where they are based, that is Nairobi, to Coast, not like to my doorstep. So if you want yours to be transported to your doorstep, then you should ask if you can pay more so that you can get those services. So I wasn't sure if some paid the same and they get their products to the doorstep, but it was okay for me. I just know the guy of the courier here, so I just had someone who I hired to carry them. So I helped someone get something on their table, and they carried it here. And as you saw, the packaging, I don't know at which point the packaging was damaged a little bit. I think it was the point with the courier services, because I saw the videos and they wrapped the couch very well. So I saw it that there's a part that it was open, hence some stains here and there, but I thank God they were all like dust, so I was able to just clean them. So yeah, that's it. I can't say anything like bad about it. For me, it was just a little bit of the packaging, and as you saw, I removed so many those small nails, but I was told that normally it just closed up. It didn't damage the couch that much, and I would appreciate maybe when they package their product, they do it more secure way, like use the tape or something. I think that way it can never like be damaged, even with the Woolier services. Other than that, I'm a happy person. My couch is well made, like it was well crafted, guys. Yeah, it's just worth every penny that I've paid for. So yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much, and I can't wait to update you guys as I'm adding, because there's this coffee table I'm eyeing that I can't wait to get. So if I do that, I'm gonna update you guys in every step of the way until the final reveal. If you have any suggestion down there, I will appreciate, and I'm gonna take every consideration to your suggestions. So comment below, what do you think I can do with the space? Just comment below and I will really appreciate.